Hi, today we're going to be reviewing the F4U Corsair. It's actually a mini warbird, really nice. You have to use on like these little batteries. Quite nice. Has a back wing suspension, and we're going to be flying it and reviewing it for you today. And you see, props quite nice and pretty nice build. Nice blue, but kind of blends in with the sky. It's pretty good. So today we're going to be reviewing it, and yeah. Quite nice speed. Not top speed though. I'll show you. It does have gyro. Really cool. And now we can get flying. Okay.
Oh.
Closer. Really nice gyro. Quite good, not too blue, not too dark blue. Really nice sticking.
It's a bit loud. The dog's in a rabbit.
Really easy. This is the after view of the Corsair. It's a really good fly, really good gyro. Can be a bit shaky in the wind though, and it's a really nice plane for beginners. I'd recommend buying it. It's really good, and hope you enjoyed today's video, and like and subscribe.